Listen up, y'all. The time is here for me and my buddy to get into gear. We're here to rap about the cell. You'll know an excuse when you hear the bell.
Tons of cells that make up us, that it's time for us to discuss. So learning about them is a must.
Starting at the nucleus, the control center of all the cell's business is closed in an envelope that sure is dope and covered in ribosomes. These protein-producing organelles are all over the place inside of cells. The nucleolus creates them, while the shell shape is held by the cytoskeleton. The cell is bound by the plasma membrane, selectively permeable. Yes, that's its domain.
There are tons of cells inside of us, and it's time for us to discuss that. Learning about them is a must.
Now let's move on to the cytosol, the liquid where cellular metabolism meets its goal. See, macromolecules are packaged at the Golgi, then sent through the ER where they're supposed to be. One smooth, one rough with ribosomes, leaving secretory vesicles or cell secretions to be released at the cell surface for completion.
There are tons of cells that make up us, that it is time for us to discuss, that learning about them is a must. I said learning about them is a must.
Next, the mitochondria provides the energy, thus making you able to bend a knee. Plant cells have three special organelles, one called the vacuole, meant for storage. It holds all you get when you go out to forage. The next is the cell wall, providing its shape and protection from all. Last is the chloroplast, converting energy from the sun. Now that is class.
There are tons of cells that make up us, and it is time for us to discuss that. Learning about them is a must. I said there are tons of cells that make up us, and it is time for us to discuss that. Learning about them is a must.
By the centrosome, digestion is done by the lysosome. Hydrogen peroxide from peroxisome. I'm pretty much done, so let's all go home.
Was up why I went to the orchard and I told me that no right.
There are tons of cells that make up us. Learning
because when the was up I did not give up, I did not give up the friends, I did not give up. Just